Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Little Big Planet. Let's begin by understanding the core mechanics. You'll control Sackboy, a charming, customizable character, through imaginative levels. Your main goals are to collect prize bubbles, which unlock new items and stickers used for decoration and puzzles. The pod is your home base, and the Poppet menu is your essential tool for customization and creation. Mastering these fundamentals will set you on a path to endless fun. Next, let's dive into the game's expansive content. The story mode offers a curated experience, guiding you through diverse worlds and introducing new gameplay elements. But the true heart of Little Big Planet lies in its community levels. Thousands of players share their unique creations daily, offering limitless adventures. Remember to heart levels you enjoy and follow your favorite creators to easily find more of their amazing work. There's always something new to discover. Now, let's talk about the incredible Create mode, where your imagination takes center stage. This powerful tool allows you to build anything you can dream up, from simple platformers to complex Rube Goldberg machines. The Poppet menu is your gateway to an extensive library of materials, objects, and gadgets. Don't be afraid to experiment with logic, like switches and sensors, or even program Sackbots to bring your levels to life. The possibilities are truly infinite. Finally, let's explore how to share your masterpieces with the world. Once your level is ready, you can publish it for everyone in the Little Big Planet community to enjoy. You can also invite up to 3 friends to join you in Create mode, allowing for collaborative building sessions. Keep an eye out for official community contests and challenges. They're fantastic opportunities to gain recognition and inspire others with your unique designs. Happy creating and sharing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.